Shelly Sweet and Savory cooking show. So what I'm going to prepare for you today is salmon croquettes. Who doesn't love salmon croquettes? You can have them in a variety of ways. You can eat it as a sandwich, or you can just eat it a la carte, or perhaps you can make chunks and cut it in slices and sprinkle it on top of a salad. It's a light, healthy meal that has omega-3s that's good for you anytime. So what you're going to need is a can of salmon. You'll need some cooking spray, a little salt and pepper, and I have my own mixture of garlic and Goya seasoning, garlic powder and Goya seasoning, and an onion and a green pepper. That's really going to be some nice collaboration of flavors right there to go into the salmon croquettes. So what you want to do is first you want to drain your juice from the can. Okay, then after you've done that, what you want to do is put on some gloves while you're preparing the salmon croquettes. Okay, once you get your gloves on, I take it and just go with the knife, lift it up after you've opened it, pull it backwards. And you want to take the can after you drained it and put it upside down in the bowl. Then I lay it flat and I separate it to make sure I can get out the bones, because there are bones inside. See, there's a full column bone right there's a strip. Place it in the can. Here's another. That's like the spine part of it. There it is. And it comes out easily. You just pull it out easily. Like so. Okay? So you have the spine out. And just look to make sure that there's no other large bones. Okay? Nice, fluffy, and fresh. Look at that. Okay, so now what we'll do, get a paper towel. You'll get 2 eggs. I have 2 large eggs. Crack them in like so. Just like that. And then you can add your seasoning. That's going to be about 1.5 tablespoons. And I think we'll opt out of salt today. We'll use some pepper. And you can be generous with the pepper. Pepper is a great seasoning. Just like that. And we're going to cut up some green peppers in thin slices. Just like that. And then also going to take an onion and cut it up in slices. Just like that. I think we'll add a little bit more onion. That'll be perfect. And just cut it gently on your little cutting board. Doesn't take too much time. Easy, easy breezy. You just chop away. Okay. We'll chop it up a little bit more because you don't want it too chunky. So just take your knife and do a crossover cut. And that way you got nice little small bite-sized pieces. Just like that. I think that's enough. So that's about 1/4 cup of green peppers and 1/2 cup of onion. Just pour it in just like that. Oh, I love the smell of fresh vegetables. Okay, meanwhile we'll take our pan and we'll spray it down with some cooking spray. And you can mix up your salmon just like this. Just like that. Look at those beautiful vibrant colors. What we're going to do is also take a pack of crackers. And crunch them up like this. Your basic saltine cracker. Just like that. Okay? And mix that in. And just smash it with your hand like that. This is so quick and easy and simple. A limited number of ingredients. And there you have it. It's all mixed together. So what you want to do now is take a handful and put it in your hand and make a patty. Like that. Okay? Put it in the skillet. Like so. That's the first one done. See, the formation comes so easily. Second one done. And formation of the third one. Just like that. And you want to get all your ingredients out of the bowl. Scoop it up with your hand like so. Okay. They smell wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. And there you have your salmon croquettes made simple, quick, and easy. Takes no time. So you got your green peppers, you got your onions, a little pepper, and some garlic powder, and it's sizzling. It takes about 3 minutes on one side and 3 minutes on the other, and they'll be done. Okay. Okay, now that you see your salmon croquettes are cooking wonderful, now you can turn them. Just flip them nice and gently. And they got a nice brown color too. If it falls apart, it's okay. Just flip it. That one's stuck on the side a little bit, but it's okay. Just like that. Smells delicious. The fragrance of the onions, the fragrance of the green peppers. Smells absolutely delicious. This is a light, healthy meal that you can have anytime, anywhere as well. Look at that wonderful golden color that they have on the salmon croquettes. Smelling delicious. So at this point, we're going to take them out. You can plate them. Like that. Beautiful. Make sure you turn your stove off. And if you have a little leftover, that's perfect for someone who wants to come sample. Or as a little bite for yourself. Okay, we're going to take the pan off the stove. Let's see. Shall we have a taste of the salmon croquettes? Oh, look at that. That is wonderful. Look how it just has a little crunch. So it's crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside. Have a taste. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. That's delicious. Salmon croquettes. Made simple, fast, and easy with a few ingredients. You can do it. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Remember, life is always sweet and savory.